ready.
Okay, well, hello, I'm Gene, and this talk is about the mission critical topic of combining two music modules, MIDI drummer tiny, this one you're looking at, and music duration partition to create random drum fills. So the first is a wrapper around MIDI simple with preset things for making drum tracks, like automatically setting the channel to number 9, which is essential. And it also has method names for common musical concepts like quarter note or the kick note or snare drum, for instance. So let's see. This second module that you're looking at now is takes a size in quarter notes and a pool of MIDI simple durations and produces rhythmic phrases or motifs that you can use with any instrument at all. So first of all, okay, how many drummers does it take to change a light bulb? Okay, well, that's 5. 1 to screw in the bulb and 4 to discuss how Neil Peart would have done it better. And so Neil is this guy. So if he's somewhere in the middle there. So, okay.
And Neil, woo!
Here's the program to run. And first off, we start off with the Perl preamble, the standard Perl 5 preamble. Next is the use lines that I need, the drummer and the duration partition. Then we have 2 essential program parameters, max, which is a loop boundary, and BPM, which is the beats per minute. So first of all, not first of all, but anyway, next we instantiate a drummer that's named after the program with a MIDI file extension, MID rather. So, so the execution part of the program is just these 2 lines, sync and write. The sync the sync scores the parts so they are played simultaneously, and we have 2 parts. So, and then the write program writes the MIDI file out actually. Okay. The meat of the program is the sync line. This plays 2 parts at the same time, pulse and beat. So pulse just plays the pedal hi-hat, which is not with a stick, with a foot. It's so that goes on while the beat goes on, which is the backbeat or the fills. The backbeat is boom, chuck, and the fills are coming, well, they come in 2 flavors, each descending the kit, high to low, by durations of the current motif. So each time we generate a motif, a new phrase. So I chose a series of if statements to decide what the fill is going to be. So this bit might make some of you cringe because it's not the most elegant way to make up a fill. But it's also that creative drum programming is hard, and creating drum parts is, especially fills, is a tricky business. So drummers are not robots, for one, and also they can pull off the unexpected. So in programming terms, this means added complexity. But anyway, this is supposed to be a simple example. So here's the transcription of the beats. That's the music actually from my. So I could play the 40-second audio output of the program that I made, but in Zoom, my test showed that the audio was garbled or not even audible. So, so fortunately, the MIDI file and an MP3 version are up on my site for your amusement. So, lastly, what do you call a drummer that breaks up with his girlfriend? Okay, that's homeless. Of course, homeless. All right, anyway, that's my lightning talk.
Rest in peace, Neil Peart.
Right? Homeless.
Praise the Lord, yeah.
Okay, that is the end of the lightning.